3. Hi everybody, we're back. Just for a couple minutes here. We got the mail, and I just wanted to share what I got in it. So it's like an unmailing, an unbagging.
Amazon unbagging.
From Amazon.
Amazon haul, I don't know.
Yeah, so we're just gonna cut into this and share it with you guys real quick here. Ooh, what is the first thing we got? ZenWise digestive enzymes. Ooh, I'm gonna try this out. They had a good ratings on the internet, so I wanted to try them out for digestive. Oh, let's see, what is this one? L-glutamine. I heard that we need this, so this is like, I think, enzymes like a probiotic and L-glutamine. So I wanted to try these two products. They got pretty good reviews. So I'm gonna see if I don't know, they make me feel better.
I don't take anything.
Yeah, she doesn't. But if you have anything that you suggest in health-wise, you know, any health knowledge, it's always good to take care of ourselves inside as well as outside. Like the whole package, taking care of our wellness and our skin and internally as well. So I just wanted to share that with you and hope everybody has a healthy, blessed day. Bye. Hi, I just wanted to share an unboxing from Walmart.com. I ordered and I just wanted the mail and I just wanted to share. This is my second package today. So I'm really excited because I never know what I'm gonna get because I forget what I ordered. I know that sounds silly, but Positive Energy by Yogi. I love tea, so I order lots of teas and supplements and vitamins and things like that to take care of myself because I'm getting older. Oh, wow. Let's see. Olay Regenerist. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on. I know. Next time I'll have my glasses on so I can read this. Olay Regenerist. These are exfoliating pads. So when you wash your makeup off or at night before you go to bed or even in the morning, you can use these and it helps to keep your skin renewed and gets the dead skin off. So I'm gonna try this because it got good reviews on the internet. And so I'm gonna have positive energy. Everybody needs positive energy nowadays, don't you think? So we got both these that I'm gonna try out and I'm excited to let you know how they worked for me. You have a good day now and be blessed.